been a while, but he's back in his happy place at the car wash. Today's casualty was a beer can opened in the fridge and gone everywhere. From one end to the other.
I hope it hasn't gone in that electrical cupboard so much.
Just an update. Ryan just remembered he left a open beer can in the fridge. So that's what happened. So we left Townsville yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah.
After spending 3 weeks there for work. A lot of people said to us,
don't go to Townsville, crime's bad in Townsville. Righty.
Yeah, and we loved it.
Yeah, it was good. We did have one little moment where someone tried to get in the van one night, but that's happens everywhere. So other than that, we met some good people and
it's a case of don't leave things lying around, lock your doors.
They're only looking for easy stuff anyways.
Yeah. But yeah, we had a lovely time at the caravan park, Rose Bay Caravan Park. Had great neighbours.
Yep, really good neighbour Tom.
Yeah, and many a late night.
Yeah, too many late nights, I'd say. Felt a bit knackered yesterday. So.
But yeah, so we left yesterday. We went to a place called Barracrab,
which was nice. And then we punched down to Yeppoon today. And don't know where we're going to go. We've got 2 nights here, depending on the weather. And from there we'll probably keep heading south, maybe Childers or somewhere, catch up with some other people and down to Brizzy Sunday for another month of work.
Yeah, we're heading to the big city, so it's going to be interesting. But I feel a bit sad heading back down south now.
Especially with the shit weather, thunderstorms, and it's not real nice around here. So
we'll see how we go with that. I'm sure we'll be fine. Ryan's just panicking a little.
Yeah.
You know, massive hailstones and that kind of thing.
Yeah, not real good for solar panels.
But yeah, so we're just going to enjoy our time in Yeppoon and then keep on heading south. We just nipped into the Tourist Information Centre in Yeppoon, and they have a place called Shell World.
Shell World Yeppoon.
Yeah, so it's gold coin entry and well worth it, I reckon.
Yeah, heaps of shells, heaps of interesting stuff to look at.
Yeah, it was really lovely, so definitely worth the stop in and have a look, and the people in the information centre were lovely as well. And I got some little earrings, so I think I'm going to pop them on there. Ta-da!
we navigate through the trees, she decides to film a video. Welcome to my life.
So it's morning everyone. We are staying at the Eureka Camping Retreat near Chilvers. It's absolutely beautiful here, stunning, beautiful property. And they have this gorgeous pond that you can swim in. And there's fish swimming around and it's just absolutely beautiful. I'm just getting my own private fish spa today. What's on the menu tonight?
Beef curry of some description, not sure yet.
Yum. Oh, there's nothing in there. Okay. So we're on our final stretch of our trip back to Brisbane to start work again. We've pulled into Hangarow, which is just north of Gympie. Been here before, but we're just going to do a quick little overnighter. Beautiful day. I'm in my hammock, and yeah, we're just going to chill out this afternoon. Having a bit of the issue with the wood over there.
It's not the best quality.
The last fire for a while.
Yeah, sad moment. Should have just come back into the hot fires. Haven't had fires from them.
Yeah, true. There were fire bans up in the north.
That's too hot.
Plus we were staying in caravan parks. But now, because we're going to Brisbane for a month,
I'm off.